morning or evening. County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 8 miles southwest of Statesville to 13 miles northeast of Lincoln to 5 miles west of Houston, to southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Newton, Mooresville, Conover, Longview, Maiden, Westport, Troutman, Catawba, Lake Norman, and Lake Norman State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free.
That's a big SVR than I was expecting, yo.
Or by posting on our Facebook page, or tweet it using hashtag
There it is.
NWSPSP.
Oh no.
Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Catawba, Ardell, and Lincoln. Heat advisory in effect from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. Watch, heat index values of 105 to 107 expected.